Hey, I'm gonna stop playing in a minute. Not even a minute. 10 seconds. Good. Yo, how's it going? It's day 5. And I was just about to not stream. But then I was like, I can't really do that. I'm not that tired. So here we go. In the last episode, what did we do? Yeah, we fought V's with a plusle and minums. Oh my god, they were fucking annoying. It's Lola. Sorry. I don't remember who Lola is. It's Lola. Know what I'm doing today? Looking at a wave from the beach. Sigh. The waves are all sparkly. The sea is the prettiest from here. I'm getting hungry, so bye bye. Okay. That was just weird. Psst, psst. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just gonna heal my Pokemon real quick. So what we did in the last episode, we met the Team Aqua's leader, Archie, for the first time. And not gonna lie, he's pretty hot. Like, Dilf. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now, just water. So now today we're gonna go up north till I don't remember what that is. Psst, psst. Well, first let's see what is this? 3 steps and 2 steps to reach the wondrous trick house. I remember this. I don't know if I wanna. Let's do it. You're being watched. Something glistened on the table. Ha! Grr, grr. I don't do that. How did you know I conceal myself beneath this desk? You're sharp. Not really sharp, I'm getting fat. Behold, for I am the greatest living mystery of a man in all of Hoenn. They call me the Trick Master. Wahaha, glad to meet you. You've come to challenge my trick house, haven't you? That's why you're here, isn't it? Yes, it is. Consider your challenge accepted. Enter through the scroll here and let your challenge commence. I shall be waiting in the back. Wow, I would love to be able to do that. There's a big hole behind the scroll. I saw that in a movie somewhere. A big hole in the wall. Want to go in? Yeah, I want to go into that big hole in the wall. Dun, 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 dun. And there's a girl behind that big hole in the wall. How convenient. I'll hack and slash my way to victory with a cut we just learned. Dun, 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 dun. Lasari would like to battle. Lasari sent out Oddish. Okay, what Pokemon is starting? Cars. It's fine enough. It does the job. So for people who follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you might want to go and see what I posted as a teaser for this stream today. Well, just now, at the start of the stream, I posted something. You might be interested in seeing that. Yeah, I'm gonna switch out because this is never gonna end. This Oddish is poison type, so that's bad news for me. Let's go deal. I hate being poisoned because even when you're done, when the fight is done, the Pokemon is still poisoned and you have to rush to a Pokemon Center. Or you can buy antidotes, but like, I'm a cheap fuck, I never buy stuff. I steal. Is that paywall to get those ratings? Well, I think this one should be open source. My dick pics should be open source. Fun story, but the 4 of you can listen to, and I hope the 4 of you are 18 plus. Oh yeah, I forgot he's poisoned. Antidote, and I don't have one. So my dumbass will have to go back there to the PC. I could let it die. No, I'm not gonna let it die. It's a fun story while we are walking back to that. So once I was talking to some friends. Jesus, that Twitch is incredible. That's super strong poison. Oh, I think yeah, when you move. Yeah, that's when you move. Food for thought. So I was talking to friends, and someone just added that. Do you know that the government can have access to our phones and they can see our nudes and and like then so there was like four of us. All right, there was me and then three girls. One girl says to all of us, "Do you know that the government can have access to our stuff through our phone, and they could basically see our nudes?" And I'm like, "I know that because I know who Edward Snowden is. I know that stuff. Doesn't mean that I'm not gonna do it, but okay, but I know that, right?" And I'm chill. I hear that and I'm like, "Yeah, I know." And the two other girls are like, "What? We can see our nudes? Did you just hear that? We can see our nudes?" And I was like, "Yeah, what's the issue?" Like, but we can see our nudes. Look, the two of them look at each other like we can see our nudes. And I'm like, who the fuck do you think you are for the government to want to see your nudes specifically? The funniest thing, I was like, you're right next to me, and you think that the government would want to see your nudes out of everybody in this country and on this earth? The government would like to see your nudes. I just don't understand people. Well, you should be scared of stuff like that, but like, how scared will you be really? I'm not saying that you should do it. I'm not saying that you shouldn't do it either. I'm just saying the government might have access to your nudes and just take some good ones so they would have like. I don't think the Mauritian government can, by the way. Just so we clarify why I'm talking so openly about it, I don't think the Mauritian government can do that. Or you buy a Samsung phone because there's knocks on it and that's super secure. You choose, bitch. I'm terrible. I'm a terrible person. You're just mean. I am just mean. I am terrible. I hear the jokes I make. Okay, one joke. And another thing, I'm glad that we don't have too many viewers because nobody will go and clip that thing that I'm gonna say. I was talking to coworkers and I like to tease them by saying that I'm gonna quit. I do that often, say that I'm gonna quit. And at some point, before we knew that we were going out for the confinement because there was a lockdown, we knew that we were not gonna see each other. That was like 2 weeks ago, right? Slack off, and restores half the maximum HP. Not worth it. Because it's gonna evolve soon, so not worth it. And oh, I didn't see what it's gonna switch for. Anyway, Dio should be able to take care of that. So yeah, my colleagues, I like to tease them with that I'm gonna live, and they just tell me that yeah, I just said that we won't see each other again, but the next time you see me, I most certainly will be in another job, right? I say that, and I'm like, oh come on. And where are you gonna go? Oh, Adria, where are you gonna go? And I'm like, I don't know, but with Corona coming, there's a lot of vacancy coming up. So yeah, could just be anywhere. I'm not mean, I'm terrible. Like, wow. I'm just like Satan, like. So Mariel fainted. Dio gained 87 XP. I don't want you to see like the grind part of the game, but like I need to do it if I want to be able to like take on the next gym leaders. Ads memorize the secret code written on the scroll. I think none of your colleagues laughed to that. They actually did. They did laugh. They did laugh at that because they were like, well, it was a semi laugh and also a semi like Adrien. And that's the best type of joke. The jokes which get you the Adrien. Not the ha ha ha, that's just hypocritical. You need that, what the fuck did you just say? I got the orange mail. By the way guys, I posted a video today, the Q&A of the month. It's on everything that I have, not own, because I don't own YouTube, but take a look, why don't you? I recorded that yesterday and I felt like so devoid of will intention, energy. I was just like, ah, let's just be done with that. It's not that I don't like doing it, it's just that like I'm being in front of a camera so much recently. Like my camera is literally not getting back in the bag, and it's not annoying. It's just that it's odd for me, and it's kinda heavy. I don't know. I'm just a little bitch who likes to moan about everything. Cause accuracy fell. Course attack fell. Courses attack. And because I didn't hit. Great. Great. Now I'm gonna do like 2 damage, right? Let's try pursuit. Ooh, I'm gonna. Hopefully, I'll be able to finish with a quick attack. Yeah, that's what they call me in the business. Quick attack. Ooh. When I'm tired, my jokes are incredible. On my deathbed, I should be doing a stand-up. Oh no, on my deathbed I can't do a stand-up. Literally can't. On my deathbed I should do a Netflix special because I can be so funny. One kick that little bitch of a raccoon. You getting a gym badge today? Yes, I am getting a gym badge today. The next down, Slateport didn't have one. They only had Archie, the hot Dilf, and so you don't get anything from him. You don't even fight him actually. So I'm gonna Trickmaster is fabulous. That was the code. Okay, the lock clicked open. I'm gonna go to the next city, which I don't know what it is. Ack, you've made it to me. You're sharp. No, I'm chubby. It took me all night to plant all those trees. You're almost my equal in greatness by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Fine, you have earned this reward. Obtain the rare candy. Just giving candy to kids. An old white man with a hole in his house with kids trapped in gave me a rare candy. Scrub that smirk from your face. It's much too early to think you've won. I'll make new tricks to stamp you. I will. You may mock me only when you're done. Come back for the next exciting installment. Everybody is just so freaking violent. I'm not running indoors. Yeah, I forgot about that. I never run indoors either. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what's to the left. Oh, double battle ahead. ACDC. Cut that bitch. Wow, how'd you get into a space like this small? That's what they tell me. Yeah, that's what she said. That is what she said. Did my guitar's wailing draw you in? Literally what she said. Jesus. Black Belt Red and guitarist Marco want to battle. Black Belt Red sent out Makuita and the other dude sent out Voltob. Wait, I don't have the right match. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna use Pursuit on you and nope. I hope you're Steel type. I forgot if you are. I don't think you are. I think you're just electric. Voltorb. Shit. Screech. I know that's for defense, right? Dio used Ember. Makuhita. Focused. I don't know really what to use. No. And still no, because you're gonna kill him if you do that. Yeah. Shit. Ooh, nice work. Sonic Boom is a good attack. I burn that bitch. Double kick. Please die. Yes. The next gym badge is not that far, but if I take like I don't know how much time I'm gonna take to go there, because it's me. I always end up spending so much time when I could have done something very easily. Wow, the kid can rock. My one-man show is ruined. Got 960 Poké dollars. Tiny PP up. Big PP. Let's put away. Where? How can I go? Okay, yeah, I should just go there. Yeah, I want the cherry berries. And I'm gonna plant something. Lipa. Okay, that's what the lipa looks like. It's soft and loamy. Want to plant a berry? Why not? Let's put away the cherry berries in the bags. Berries pocket. Vasari tend to soft and loamy. Want to plant something. I have so many cherry berries. And I'm gonna put a chest 2 here. Although the chest 2, I should have kept it. Yep, should have kept it. That's done. Ooh, you were waiting for me, weren't you? Did you feel the tug of your eye? I didn't read, sorry. No, she was saying something about tugging and I shouldn't finish that sentence. For someone playing Pokemon, I've got pretty dirty jokes. For Shroomish, use Absorb. It's not gonna do much Shroomish. 1 damage, like I said. Still touching my face. I'm so dead. What are you gonna send next? Normally it is about to say Roselia. I'm fine. And Ember should do again. Don't be poisoned, thanks. I don't want to walk all the way back to... I'll have to go all the way back to that gym. Because then there's a gross patch if I recall. DU gain, ACDC gain. I defeated Aroma Lady Daisy. You weren't led astray by our Aroma. Sad. Twins. I love the music they got for Twins. If you burn shroomish, essentially it's fried mushrooms. It is fried mushrooms, and Joe Rogan would like to know your location. We battle together as one team. Twins Amy and Liv would like to battle. Twins Amy and Liv are now Plusle and Minum. What I'm gonna do is switch you for you, because you're not affected anyway. And I think you got a ground type move, so it should be faster. Plusle use Helping Hand. Plusle is ready to help for Minum. And then the other one is gonna... Oh, okay, for once the other one use an actual attack instead of Helping Hand. Okay. Strong enough to take on these bitches. Screw to level 18. Dio gain 63. Diablo gain... Mudshot should be fine. Should be enough. Wow, you're using Helping Hand. At times the... Oh, and it didn't even connect. But you should be... You're gonna survive with that sliver of life. Of hope, I should say. Again, at times the AI is really dumb. You're alone, why are you using Helping Hand? Again, Helping Hand when you're alone is masturbation. Again, that's not a joke for a Pokemon channel, right? And a Christian channel, above all else. That's what I am. A channel. Dave, really, we're a lot better. It's true, we'll show you next time. They all say that. I also all the time say that. In which circumstance? Good question. My Pokemon is delightfully adorable. Don't be shy, I'll show you. Perv. Pokefan Miguel would like to battle. Send out Skitty. Sorry guys, I'm really low on energy today. I feel like, and I just need a lot of sleep. But I'll be back stronger than ever. That is hopefully not dying to the gym leader. 360 pocket dollars from 2 kids. Yes, I like to bully people. I don't know why you don't get that. I'm a bully. Pokemon Miguel fainted. Oh my gosh, my darling Pokemon. I've got 1,200. Will you register me? Yes, you will. I'll get you to come out and look in on my delightful Pokemon again. That's so cute. Yes, Adrien. I was sharing memes at 3 a.m. My sleep, no, my phone rang. Somebody was called, not calling, sending a message, and I was like, should I really answer that right now? And I didn't answer it. God, my fishing line's all snarled up. I'm getting frustrated and mean. That's it. Battle me. Wow. I don't know, dude. Go watch TV or something. Don't you have Netflix? If you got Netflix, I would recommend that everybody watches Altered Carbon. It's really good. What else is really good that I saw recently? Tom Segura's new stand-up special is just came out. It was really good. Watched it today. It's really good. I don't know what I'm gonna watch before going to bed today. Let's go Tentacool. Should I switch? Because Tentacool is poison type. And that's not good for grass types. The more you learn. No, the more you know. One of these. One of the two of these. Super Sony, please don't connect. Good. Yeah. Beating the gym will be just enough because like spending so much time doing like random stuff. I literally saw a pulse on the left, took it, and said, fuck it. Magikarp. Corp? I don't know why I like doing that. Oh, I know why I do stuff like saying corp like this. I used to watch a lot of wrestling when I was young. If I can shout out your cousin Testicle. Thanks, Sydney. Thanks. Many thanks. Much appreciated. Totally not gonna get that that, that Christian channel banned. If you cross the sea from here, it'll be a shortcut to Oldale Town. That's useful, isn't it? I guess. I need to heal up real quick. I'm sorry. I'll just go about there. I like how he runs though. Here you go, little. I think that's why green is actually my favorite. You know, I'm not the type of person to have a favorite color, but green is my favorite color. And I think that's because of Emerald. Not cause, thanks to Emerald. Thanks, Adrien, for being a helping hand for Sydney in this real uplifting moment for me right now. Testicle. I guess Tess is like a shortened version of Tessa, right? Tessaticle. I found some cool Pokemon in the grass around here. Nice. Pretty weird fucking kid. Youngster Timmy would like to battle. Youngster Timmy sent out Aaron. I don't think you got that Aaron in the grass, my dude. I'm not gonna be very effective against it. He's testiclish. That's why I call my fandom retarded. Retards. Sydney, whatever you're gonna write, I'm not gonna spell aloud now. I'm not gonna read aloud. Nothing ever again. Electric is green, but he's not a what is it? An electric, a grass type. However, he's a pure electric type. However, if you connect with a move, you're gonna get paralyzed. I'm such a nerd. No, I don't even go and read these things before coming on stream. I literally know these things. Such a nerd. Thanks, Adrien, once again for helping out Sydney. I like to see that people are actually empowering each other to be dicks. Hi lads, long time no see, here's Bay. While I was searching for other Pokemon, my Pokemon grew stronger, so how about a little battle? Let's go. Da, 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 da. Pokemon Trainer May would like to battle. Pokemon Trainer sent out Lombre. Okay, let's try. No. You're saying that it's just their name and then you're doing the emojis for ducking. What the? How would I know what ducking is? Good question. Nature power. Smoking a blunt. Oh, Swift was pretty powerful, wasn't it? Please don't kill me. Ooh. Good. Slugma. Slugmatic. I still think about when he wrote that and I literally was like, testicle? Like a boomer, like squinting. Yeah, we're gonna pretend I said duckling. Duckling. That's how ducks feed, actually. That's how you feed ducks. Twing, level 20. What does foresight do? Is it like foreskin? I'm way too dirty. Negates the foe's effort to heighten evasiveness. Could be used for against. Don't know who, but could try. Like I said before, I'm gonna try and not have 4 attacking moves on every Pokemon. Sorry. Jesus. I had boiled noodles today. Like mean brie, not instant noodles. That was delicious. ACDC go to level 16. Send out Marshtomp. Yeah, I should switch. Do they have to bend over to eat? That's quite peculiar. Nice to know. Nice to know. See, now I'm usually the bully, but I'm being bullied by my own fans. It's pretty good. No, I was just hit with semen. Don't you hate it when like you burp and you smell whatever you just had for lunch or dinner or whatever? Like it was good when I was putting it inside. Now it's coming out, it's not nice. And I practically never burp, so Shit. Yikes, you're better than I expected. Ad's got 1,200 Poké dollars. Ads, you've been busy training too, haven't you? I think you deserve a reward. This is from me. Ooh, how the tables have turned. Is that his sex thing? Ads put away the item finder in the key items pocket. That's an item finder. Try it out if there is an item that's not visible, it emits a sound. Okay, Ads, let's meet again. And it's a little silly coming from me, but I think you should train a lot harder for the next time. Okay, girl. You just lost. Not my fan. I don't have fans. I have assholes who watch whatever the fuck I do. I didn't try to kill you, Wingull, but I needed the HP, so... Cars gain. It's already been 30 minutes. We are gonna do that one gym. Cars is at level 19, should stay in. Nice, fine. Could I see your Pokemon? Just one look, please. I'm gonna try and not make a joke about this one. Okay, full throttle time. If you can't groove, you get left behind. Collector Edwin and guitarist Joseph want to battle. Collector Edwin sent out Lumbre. Guitarist Joseph sent out Electrike. Shit, I need to switch Pokemon now. I think Cost should go for Diablo, while you should try double kick on that Lumbre. Cost, that's enough, come back. Dio used double kick. And he double kicked. I already know what I'm gonna use as a teaser for tomorrow's stream. I'm gonna write touching tips on stream. Turn up. Now I already set like a benchmark. Every time I'm gonna have to do something worse, to write something worse for these posts. Every time. Just tip. Turn to oh please no. What is the difference between a hooker and a drug dealer? I wouldn't know. What would be the difference, Jeremy? Can I use time to check some stuff? One can wash their crack and resell it. Guys, as I said, this is a Christian channel. Oh, my eye is just scratching. And I just touched my phone before that, so infected. The other one is scratching too. Oh my god, I can't. That's a good one, Jeremy. That's a good one. Yikes. I like collecting match call registrations too. Registered collector when the Pokémon. My best friend once told me about when he visited strip clubs, and I was shook. I'm never going to one of these places, but I was shook. It's a bit on the religious side. Okay, I'm gonna give you one on the religious side. Actually, I'm gonna play a game with you, chat. You have to answer. I know there's gonna be a delay, but it's fine. What do you call a group of crows? crows. What do you call a group of crows? You know the bird, the blackbird, corbeau. What do you call it? What's the term for a group of these? Yes, Jeremy, it's a murder of crows. Yeah. What do you call a group of wolves? Yeah. What do you call a group of wolves? Sydney, my Sydney, my Facebook comment section. Nice one. That's good, both of you. A pack of wolves. Yes. What do you call a group of fish? Fish or whales? Yeah, fish. Rather fish. What do you call a group of fish? Yes. Once again, Jeremy, it's a school of fish. So for the last one now, what do you call a group of cunts? CUNTS. What do you call a group of cunts? I have foreseen your intentions. I cannot possibly lose. I fell off cycling road. I'll get over my embarrassment by battling with you. Girl, you fell off that. Oh my god. That must hurt. I'm waiting for your answer, chat. What do you call a group of cunts? That is definitely my fans, but that's not the correct term. The correct term for a group of cunts is a church. I told that to my Catholic colleague and she was thrilled. Faint in hallelujah. I failed to prophesize. Oops, I ended up losing. I made that joke up yesterday. Just yesterday. I've got serious issues. Jesus. Hmm. You don't even need an item finder. Player is trying to understand what I just said. Just to specify, guys, I was raised Catholic, meaning that I'm not proud of it. What do a bunch of priests and McDonald's have in common? I would say that no, I can't formulate a proper joke with that one. But I would say that they like kids a lot. They like kids a lot. Hey, don't sneak up behind me like that. Why not? We're just touching tips here, dude. Everything's fine. We're just like making sweet love, like pussy. We both love to stuff their meat in 10-year-old. They do. They actually do. Oh, that's so good to be able to love about religion. Kids, remember that everything is laughable. Life is. Everything should be laughed at if if you can. As long as you've got teeth, you should be laughing at life, because what else are you gonna do? Like, change the world? Good luck with that. Yeah, you can take it. 41 minutes. Gonna be barely enough for us to do that gym. I hope there's nothing like in between, like a side mission. There's no Team Aqua Grunt coming again. Although if I see Archie again, I don't mind. He's a real deal. Like my man, he pulls. He's a hunky. No, what are the terms? I'm a twink. I'm definitely a twink. Everybody could tell that I'm a twink. He's a hunk. Shit. The tentacle is hitting hard today. And why is Tentacles faster than me? He's to start with level 11, but even if we're on the same level, I should be miles ahead. No fucking logic. Yeah. Keep on hitting, you're not doing much. Well, that's an easy prey. That's an occasion to fill up my life, my HP. Roll out. Yeah, that didn't do much, did it? By the way, guys, if you want to play Pokémon on PC too, because I got another friend, I think Jeremy would know, Stiffy, who wanted to, who came to talk to me, just tell me about that. How do you play that? And I'm like, I'm using MGBA on my PC. On your phone, you could use My Boy if you got an Android. I don't know what of equivalency for iOS because I don't have a shitty phone. So yeah, you should definitely spend some time and play Pokemon. 20 minutes, less than that even, to beat that gym. I'll do it. Another whelm. That's another good no, that's another opportunity to get some free XP. By the way, guys, you should take a good look at my hair right now. Take a good look and cherish the moment. I am too cherishing the moment. ROM files are pretty easy to find nowadays. To get my Emerald, I just typed in Pokemon Emerald ROM, and the first link was the right one. Another thing I would suggest would be to try PokeMMO. I would have tried PokeMMO, but playing an online game for streaming, I think that would do it. Plus, if somebody would say the N-word, you know, nigger, that would be a problem. I don't think you can say that in this game. Like, what the fuck am I saying? Jesus. I have to be the gym and I am here just getting some seeds. Hello, it's Amy. I challenged someone else after the battle. I came close but I ended up losing again. Oh well. Cool. Nice of you to share with me. Another Lepa. Lepa rhymes with Kippa. Haha, that's very funny. Can also get a DS emulator to play later rendition of Pokemon. Yeah, if you want to play later renditions, you should. I forgot which one I'm using for NDS games. But I think if I stream NDS games, then I'm gonna do Pokémon. Because in Pokémon, like, you could start in Fire Red and with the same character, build up and keep all your Pokemons and carry forward until Platinum and even until Pokemon Black or White. So maybe I'll do that. But Emerald, I'm gonna... Two roads, one above, one below. A road each for people and Pokemon, perhaps that is right and fair. Wouldn't it be great to ride a bike at full speed on cycling road? I guess. Hi, do you check one TV at all? They've added a bunch of cool new shows recently. TV is so cool, I've seen my friends on TV just out of the blue. And sometimes they even put you on TV without telling you. I wish that's a crime. I wish I would be on TV sometime. That's why I think I should check out TVs whenever you can. And put DS games on it. You should repair your 3DS. That's why my friend Steffi was telling me was telling me about how she broke hers. Well, she found hers, her old DS Lite, and can't put anything on it. It's not turning on. Even if you're riding a bike, wild Pokemon could jump you. Well, could happen anytime. What is this nice shop? Let me talk to this man in green. Well, what have we here? A most energetic customer. I feel more comfortable playing games on my PC than on my DS. More comfortable for me, plus you have a bigger screen. You definitely do have a bigger screen, and we all know that it's bigger, but it's better when it's bigger. Me, you can, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Me, you may call me Mr. Riddle. There's no Mr. Why did I say Mr.? Wow, what an Uncle Tom I am. I'm the owner of this cycle shop. Your running shoes, they're awfully filthy. Wow, did you come from far away? Yes. You're saying that you came all this way from Little Root. My goodness, that's ridiculously far. If you had one of my bikes, you could go anywhere easily while feeling the gentle caress of a wind. A gentle caress is something I'll tell you what, I'll give you a bike. Oh, wait a second, I forgot to tell you that there are two kinds of bikes. There are the Mag bike and the Acro bike. The Mag bike is for cyclists who want to feel the wind with their bodies. And Acro bike is for those who prefer technical rides. I'm a real sweetheart, so you can have whichever one you like. Which one will you choose? The Mag bike. You feel comfy on your bed with it. It's to each their own. Some people are what is with for example, Jeremy and I, we talk about that a lot. I'm way more of a console type of person. That's why I'm only playing an emulator on this PC, on this laptop. Well, I can actually, the laptop is not too bad, but like, I don't know. Once I got the PS4, I was like done with playing anything on my PC. Let's put it with when I could crack games and have way more games, but turns out I spent so much money. I got a library of 125 games on PlayStation. You can clearly say that I'm single. If you get the urge to switch bikes, you just come and see me. That's great, Mr. Riddle. Now I'm gonna do something, because I think you can register that too. Yes, you can. But what did I use? I select. Yes! I am speed. Flash McQueen meme. 10 minutes to beat this gym. I can do it. No biggie. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Okay, I'll take your Pokemon for 2 seconds. Also, I should save more often, just in case like the game shuts down or I don't know, my laptop crashes, you know, blue screen or something. I think I should check your phone when you have time. Oh my god. When you say that, Jeremy, I don't really want to. Let me do that while I'm saving then. Some are getting prayed, others are getting staked. How would you say that? Staked. I want a steak. I can't stay in my house much longer. I want a steak. I need food. I need outside food. Kill me. I'm really sad. Oh, here's Wally and his dad. Oh, uncle. Oh no, that's his uncle. Please, I want to challenge this gym and see how much better I've become. Please, may I please? Now hold on, Wally. Since you started living with Pokemon, you have grown quite a lot stronger. But don't you think you're pushing it to suddenly challenge the gym? Wally, I'm not pushing it. If I combine forces with Ralts, we can beat anyone. I need KFC, but actually I want to go and eat at Rokumama's. I'd like to go and eat there now, right now. Oh, hi, Ads. I've gotten a lot stronger since we met. Ads, I want you and my uncle to understand that. Ads, please, will you have a battle with me? I mean, I guess you want to get your ass handed to you. Ads, thank you. So your last video was a KFC ad. My last video was a bit of a KFC ad. It was. Okay, here I come. Let's go, Wally. I really want to go and eat food from outside. That's what I want. Like my parents can cook, but like I want stuff. Okay, I'm sorry, but it's gonna be painful. Waddy, you only have one Pokemon, and it's a Ralt, and it was shit. I traumatized that kid. Oh my god, he's gonna Gandao his school or something now. Oh my god, I created the next mass shooter. What did I do? ACDC grew to level 18. Why you mean to Wally like that? I can't do anything. Should I have let him beat me or something? What? ACDC is evolving? I've I've been traumatized by more kids than I have traumatized. And don't say that out loud, Jeremy. I'm 24. That could be problematic. ACDC evolve into Figoroth. It's a pretty good Pokemon. Does he? Okay, I thought it was gonna learn Slash. Okay, go back to Vet and Turf. Thank you, being a trainer is tough, isn't it? It's not enough just to have Pokemon and make them battle. That isn't what being a real trainer is about. I'm not gonna steal anything. Wally, there's no need to be so down on yourself. Why? What's keeping you from becoming stronger and stronger? Come on, let's go home. Everyone's waiting for you. Ads, it just dawned on me that you must be the trainer who kept an eye out for Wally when he called his Pokemon. Why don't you visit us in Vietnam sometime? I'm sure Wally would enjoy it. I'll come by. I'll come by. 10 minutes. Scott. Oh, I like my favorite voice. I was watching that match. Friends with that boy Wally, aren't you? But you didn't hold anything back and beat him impressively. Yeah, that's what a real Pokemon battle is all about. I idolize trainers like that. I'll be cheering for you, champ. He didn't say champ once again, but I'm gonna assume that actually he wants me to succeed. Should I give that? Yeah. No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna switch that experience tree. I'm gonna leave it for Slakoff. Actually, should I? I don't know. Dio, could you? No, Dio should stay there. Diavolo, you need to lead this gym. Wait, sorry, I didn't talk to my main man. Steal his Pokemon, take his dream away from him. That's what I do to kids. Take everything they got. Hey, how's it going? Champion bound ads. Watson, the leader of Mauville. Mauville? I say Mauville. Jim uses electric type Pokemon. If you challenge him with water type Pokemon, he'll zap them. Bzzzt, and is put in switch control doors all over his gym eccentric. Hey, go for it. My man. With my charm and my Pokemon's moves, you'll be shocked. My electric sword, it'll shatter your dreams. Hold up. Talking about shattering dreams. Even their V card, Jesus dude. I will take all their V-Bucks. I don't play Fortnite. I'll never play Fortnite. Just putting that out there. Never gonna do that. Mudshot on you, bitch. And then Beck, I guess. I don't have something good to counter. Okay, my screen is not. I'm not saying shit. Okay, now. Diavolo, Dio, SCDC. I won't really level up my Suelo because it doesn't matter. I have in mind some Pokemon that I want to get, and once I get them, I'll have my team for the Elite Four for Victory Road actually. Shit, I forgot Shockwave always hits first. 5 minutes to beat that gym. I can tell you already, I'm not gonna make that in 5 minutes. I'm being realistic here. A good Metal Gear video game would be good for next gen consoles. Unfortunately, Metal Gear games are not happening ever again. Use detect, so he's not gonna be hit by my first attack, but what is the next one gonna hit? Wow, both of them. Great. Yeah, not twice, bitch. Not twice. Not today. Yeah, I guess flying is effective against fighting. Peck, a flying move. Pretty odd. Plus, Combusken is a chicken. It's not really flying type. It's not a bird. Well, a bird is a chicken. A chicken is a bird. A bird is a chicken. Wow. That was plugged in, amped up, overdriven, electric, man. Fucking weird this. I should switch. No, I should just take that away, cause... No, not take. Okay, Metal Gear 5 was good, rest in peace Metal Gear Survive. Metal Gear Survive was just a shit show. I don't know why Konami thought that was a good idea. I don't get how they... Money. I love shiny things. I trained the Watson very no way, I'll lose easily. We saw that survival games were like popping. They were just like, I'm gonna... Every time I check my WhatsApp, I'm scared Jeremy sent something. That's a good matchup. Ooh. No, I'm not gonna have you learn Sand Attack. First off, because that's a pussy move. Also, because like you level. Shit, I hope that Magnemite is not force enough. How did Ilmai survive this? Oh well. Shit. Oh, he just like might have. Yeah, but. Good, still one shot. 3 minutes to 1 hour, I don't think this is gonna be possible. Volbeat. Wow. We didn't really do anything. See ya, Jeremy. Take care. Talk to you later. My eyes are frazzled. Hope you get your badge. I hope I get it too. I'll get it. Even if we have to make this live stream 2 hours. The James puzzle, isn't it fun? Ain't it fun? Youngster Ben would like to battle. Youngster Ben's now Zigzagoon. Great. Oh, Jeremy left. Yeah, you would have understood that I knew Jeremy in real life, right? We are like actually friends. It's so fucking hot. My windows are open, 4 of them, and I'm sweating like a hadoof. Shit, does yawn take effect on the same turn or no? Okay, I get to kill you. Okay, so I'm definitely already past the hour mark. What I'm gonna do is go heal up real quick. Just so I can take on the gym leader, because I don't think... I think that he's prepared to fight a ground type. Morstomp is, I mean, Diavolo is definitely gonna lead my line for this gym, but just in case he's got something like, what could he possibly have actually? Because I don't think he's got a Kadabra either. I think he's only got like Magnemite and a Manic Trick. Don't know. And I got a bike. Riding your bike is so great. Now you can basically just do this and this, and here you go. I've given up on my plans to convert the city. I have, and so I put my time into making door traps in my gym. Oh, now what are you doing here? What's that? You say you've gotten past all my rigged doors. Wahaha, now that is amusing. Then I, Watson, the leader of Moville Gym, shall electrify you. All the gym leaders in this game are nice. You appreciate them, and they've got personality, but they're like not dicks. Leader Watson and our Voltorb. Yeah, for example, Voltorb must have got like Sonic Boom, oh, even Rollout. Oof, good. Please, one shot. Super effective. Diavolo grew to level 22. So now Eric Track. Please don't be. Shit, I'm definitely gonna be in a tough one against Manic Trick. Because I think he's level 24. So his stats are better than mine. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Everybody pray for me. The perfect atheist, pray for me. Magneton. Yeah, I forgot, not Magnemite, Magneton. Supersonic. Oof! Getting confused on top of that would not have helped. So glad Metroid is like one-shotting everything. Would it be the first gym I'm beating without having to run back to the Pokémon Center with my tail between my legs? Manic Trick. Which is definitely faster, of course. Howl, making you attack stronger. But I think you only got like Thunder-like attack. Okay, he didn't get one shot. And your speed fell. So hopefully I'll go first for the next. I hope I can get just hit you. Oh, wow, the Citrus Berry. Quick attack. It's fine, I can take that. Wow, you survive with this. And now Watson is gonna use a potion, isn't he? A super potion, that's like 60 HP. That's fine, I can still kill you with that. And that is the first gym badge I'm getting without having... Jesus! I know the super potion. And you're left with a bit more health than the last hit. Just annoying, but you're dead now. Yes, you're dead. It's super effective. For Manic Trick, fainted, and that's in the bag. First gym badge without fainting. You ended up giving me a thrill. Take this badge. Plus 2,400 Pokédollars. Has received a Dynamo badge from Watson. Dun, dun, dun. With a Dynamo badge, Pokemon can use Rock Smash out of battle, and it will make your Pokemon a little bit faster too. Ready? You should take this too. Obtain the TM34. As put away the TM34, that TM here contains Shockwave. It's a trustworthy move that never misses. You can count on it. Ready? Good. Registered Gym Leader Watson in the Pokemon Nav. But that's it for today. I'm just so tired, I'm just so sweaty. I just want to be done with this. Because, sorry, this shirt actually was actually quite thick, like my bum. So, I'm sorry if I'm low energy today. Well, I had a lot of dirty jokes. So maybe like these. So, I'm sorry if I was low on energy. It's just that I need a lot of sleep right now. and thank you for tuning in again. And I think we had new people today in the chat. I'm glad to see that we're getting a few new people. My top concurrent viewers is still 4, but who knows? Maybe they'll grow, maybe it won't. I'm still gonna do that. I just want to play Pokemon, and if I can share my love for Pokemon with you, I will. But that's about it for me, and I'm gonna go and get some sleep, or put something on the TV and watch it until I die. But did I just save? I think I did. I forgot. But until tomorrow, and I already told you, tomorrow the teaser will be. What did I say I was gonna do? Yes, touching tips on stream. Turn up. And until then, what can I tell you? Same thing as usual, right? Stay safe, stay home, and just what I'm gonna see you tomorrow, same time, 8:30, right? Take care.